Dear world, it has been 21 days the military has seized power in Myanmar. We have lost our innocent people again. Yesterday, February 20th, Myanmar military intentionally killed many innocent and unarmed peaceful protesters in Mandalay. They even fired ambulances and medical covers. This is such an injustice military act. This is crime against humanity. This is really happening in Myanmar. I sincerely request to all the governments around the world, we really need your help to save people in Myanmar. How much longer are you going to wait to take some real actions? How many more innocent lives do we have to sacrifice for you to take an action on Myanmar's biggest terrorist?